Hello everyone, this is Juan Sarmiento and today is Friday, December the 9th. Okay, here is what I usually do. This is the ES, that's the futures version of the SPY. You can do the SPY too, but I choose the ES because in the extra hours or outside the trading hours, this particular instrument is still traded, so I can better visualize outside trading hours. Not that you need to do that, it's just a curiosity, I guess. But you see that I drew this trend and the trend seems to still hold. The market last week I was talking about it going very strongly through, slightly through, but very strongly in the direction of the down channel here, and it hit that and pulled back curiously, or perhaps not so curiously. And now the Ichimoku cloud, the yellow, which is a bullish thing, is being tested. Okay, this trading trend from here, you need to see if it's going to break strongly below the Ichimoku cloud or whether it's going to bounce and break out. So we are in a sort of a decision point. In case you want to follow, I think I would spend a little time telling you about these things because these are observations that I've done through the years, and regardless of what you think of the market, that's something to look for and to analyze and to get sort of an idea of where we're going. You have an opinion at least, and I could have my opinions, but they're not going to necessarily pan out every single time, so I avoid that. But what I do know is that 30 years from now, the stock market is going to be higher than it is now. And if I am in my 20s or in my 40s and I want to retire age 50 to 60, whatever, I'm going to be saving my money and put it in an instrument like the stock market, and that's going to outperform every other instrument that I might purchase. So regardless of what the market is doing, I'm buying, and when the markets go down to new lows, I'm buying at a cheap price. When the markets go higher, I keep buying at a higher price. Or you may actually say, okay, the market is high now, I want to get some cash, just because it is at a new high. But the markets have a way to break out to new highs and keep on going higher and higher and higher. So we keep on playing this game, all right? So let's go to the monitor tab. So far this year we have a loser here. Today we have a bit of a middle, very slight sell, but for the time being we have lost $2,229, but I'm increasing my position anyway, and the market value of that position is $31,679. You can go to the Analyze tab, enter SPY. You can enter it here, or if you have it here in this view with this yellow icon and match the yellow icon here, you can just click here and it will take you there. Okay, it automatically loads the risk graph for the SPY. Well, we have already gotten 80 shares, and that's a lot of money, but we have done it at $500 max cost. Now the market is trading at the SPY at 395. My average price is 423. So what that means is, even though we are below most of my positions, we've been averaging down the cost. Okay, not by much, just one at a time, by buying when the markets are low. Okay, so I'm going to go to the monitor tab, and I'm going to, because this is a paper trading account, I'm going to add adjust cash and pretend that I'm adding $500. That's what I do every week. Okay, and so imagine that you have a trading account and you add $500 every week. That's the goal here. Okay, you can add less, let's say $200 every week, and then when you have enough cash, you buy shares. And now we have $595 in the account, so we can buy one share. So let's go to the trade tab, the analyze tab, and add simulated trade, and just click on the ask, and that gives me 100 shares, which I'm not buying, I'm just buying one, and there it is. And from here we could add so that we get 81 shares. Let's send that off, and there now we have 81. I keep doing this and you keep watching, and one day you'll see how it all reverses. The market begins to go strongly higher, and then we will have accumulated enough shares at a very small price. And what is it now? Go to the Analyze tab, and here you see the average price is $423 and almost 50 cents. All right, that's all for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and see you next time. Bye bye.